Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. Top Best Hard Case Toolbox Reviews 2026. Product Sell Points: Multifunctional Tool Organizer Box, Large Hard Case Toolbox, IP67 Waterproof Rating. Durable polypropylene construction ensures IP67 waterproof rating. Shockproof and durable. The Shockproof Organizer Toolbox withstands impacts, protecting your tools from shocks and drops. Large capacity. Ample 510 by 290 by 185 mm internal space in a 560 by 350 by 235 mm external case, ideal for extensive tool storage. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.